Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to transfer ownership of a Starlink kit. First, log into your Starlink account on the Starlink website. Go to the section labeled Your Starlinks and find the specific kit you want to transfer. Click on Manage next to it. Then, under the service options, cancel your Starlink service. This is required so the hardware can be removed from your account and reassigned. Before you remove the hardware, note down the Starlink identifier for your device. This may include the device ID, kit serial number, or terminal ID. You will need to share this information with the new owner so they can activate the device. After that, go to Devices in your account. Find the Starlink dish and click on the Transfer button. Confirm the conditions to permanently remove it from your account. Once it is removed, you should perform a factory reset on your Starlink router to clear any of your personal settings. Now, hand over the physical Starlink kit to the new owner. Make sure to give them the identifier you noted before. On their side, the new owner needs to create a Starlink account if they do not already have one. Then they should go to the Starlink website, choose the correct plan for their address, and when prompted, click I already have my Starlink. They will enter the identifier you provided, complete their billing and contact details, and place their order. Once that is done, the hardware will be linked to their new account. Thanks for watching.